Okay, so in the previous window we were looking at configurations and LDAP configurations, and then of course Cassandra configurations. And now what we're going to do is we're going to continue to listen to Docker and the output from Docker as we try and log in as different users. So we're going to try and log in as Draco, and we see that indeed LDAP went ahead and fetched information on Draco and returned the information to DSE. Now there was a group search done as well, and that's why of course we will be able to use the Slytherin key space and look at, let's see, the member data here. Now Draco is not a member of the Gryffindor group, so if we did this, this should fail. And yes, indeed it does, giving us an issue that this user is not authorized. And so given that, we can see that Draco is a user that is configured in LDAP, accesses DSE, authenticates with LDAP, authorizations records come from LDAP and are correctly enforced. So the next thing is, well, what happens when we try and log in as Severus, because Severus had additive permissions being applied. So let's go ahead and clear a little bit of that, go ahead and access as Severus, and of course his password will always be always. Yes, indeed, we see that Severus's information has been returned as well. And now let's go ahead and use and he can access that. This is as a result of his association as a group in the association with the LDAP group. And this also works well because of the specific configuration that we saw that Severus had. And so list permissions of Severus, and confirming again, and let me just widen this, confirming again that yes, indeed, Severus is picking up a specific configuration. This was defined internally, and this is as a result of membership. And so that's how we see that an internal user authenticated internally has permissions granted internally and additive permissions coming in from LDAP. Thank you.